Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're diving headfirst into the electrifying world of cryptocurrency. Imagine a financial system without those pesky banks, where your money dances to the beat of its own digital drum. That's crypto in a nutshell. Now picture yourself as a savvy prospector in this digital gold rush, partnering with companies to promote their crypto offerings and raking in a hefty commission for every soul you convert. That, my friends, is the magic of crypto affiliate marketing. It's a land of opportunity, ripe with potential for those brave enough to stake their claim. We're talking about a multi-billion-dollar industry growing faster than a chia pet on Miracle-Gro. And the best part? You don't need a degree in blockchain sorcery or a vault full of Bitcoin to get started. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to embark on a journey to uncover the truth about crypto affiliate earnings. Alright, partner, let's break down this whole cryptocurrency thing without all the technical jargon that'll make your head spin like a roulette wheel in Vegas. Imagine a digital form of cash secured by some seriously strong cryptography. That's cryptocurrency. Think of it like this: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, yes, even the one with the Shiba Inu meme, are all like different currencies from different countries, but instead of being printed by governments, they live on something called a blockchain. Now imagine a giant public ledger in the sky, tracking every single crypto transaction ever made. That's the blockchain, baby. It's like a digital notary on steroids, ensuring transparency and security. And because this whole system is decentralized, there's no need for those meddling banks. You're in control of your own financial destiny. Here's the deal, folks. Crypto companies are like those new kids on the block trying to throw the biggest, baddest party but struggling to get the word out. That's where you, the affiliate marketer, waltz in like the social butterfly you are. You see, these companies are willing to shell out some serious dough, or should I say crypto, to anyone who can bring them new customers. We're talking about commissions that'll make your head spin faster than a Bitcoin price chart during a bull run. But it's not just about the money, honey. Crypto affiliate marketing is like a match made in digital heaven. It's a chance for you to tap into a rapidly growing market, build a loyal following, and maybe even learn a thing or two about the future of finance. And the best part, crypto companies are all about that long-term relationship. They offer lifetime commissions, meaning you keep earning a cut from every referral, even if they're still trading years down the line. Talk about passive income! Section 4. Top Crypto Affiliate Programs. Your treasure map awaits. Now that you're practically foaming at the mouth to dive into this crypto affiliate goldmine, let's talk about where to find these lucrative opportunities. Think of affiliate networks as bustling marketplaces where crypto companies hang out, eager to connect with eager beavers like you. You've got your big players like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, offering competitive commissions and a smorgasbord of products to promote. Then there are specialized platforms like Bybit and Prime XBT, catering to the more adventurous crypto traders. But hold on to your hats, folks, because there's a new sheriff in town, Beexback. This up-and-coming exchange is making waves with its generous affiliate program, offering jaw-dropping commissions and a suite of features that'll make your referrals feel like VIPs. We'll spill the tea on Beexback later, so keep those ears perked. Section 5. Becoming a crypto affiliate, from zero to hero. Ready to transform from a crypto newbie to an affiliate marketing maestro? Fear not, my friend, because the path to affiliate stardom is paved with clear, actionable steps. First things first, find your niche. Are you a Bitcoin aficionado? A DeFi devotee? Pick a crypto area that tickles your fancy and focus your efforts on becoming a trusted voice in that space. Next up, choose your weapon of choice, your affiliate program. Do your research, compare commission structures, and find a program that aligns with your goals and values. Now it's time to build your platform. Whether it's a website, blog, or social media empire, create a digital haven where you can share your crypto wisdom and sprinkle in those sweet, sweet affiliate links. But remember, content is king. Churn out valuable, engaging content that educates and entertains your audience. Think tutorials, reviews, and maybe even the occasional meme-infused market commentary. Section 6. Beexback, your secret weapon in the crypto affiliate game. Remember Beexback, the new kid on the block we mentioned earlier? Well, get ready to have your socks charmed off because this exchange is about to become your secret weapon in the crypto affiliate arena. Beexback isn't just another pretty interface. They're all about empowering their users with a seamless trading experience. We're talking zero slippage, zero spread trading, and a 24/7 support team that's more responsive than a teenager to a new iPhone release. But here's where it gets juicy for affiliates. Beexback offers a mind-blowing commission structure, potentially exceeding 50% for their top performers. That's right, you read that right. You'll be swimming in Bitcoin faster than you can say Satoshi Nakamoto. And as if that wasn't enough, they sweeten the deal with a $50 welcome bonus for every referral who makes their first trade. Plus, your referrals get access to 100 times leverage, no KYC requirements, and a demo account to test the waters. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, there you have it, folks. The world of crypto affiliate marketing is your oyster, ready to be pried open with your newfound knowledge and a sprinkle of entrepreneurial spirit. Head over to Beexback's website, sign up for their affiliate program, and get ready to ride the crypto wave to financial freedom. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency investments are inherently risky and may not be suitable for all investors.